Let's see the question paper AA PJET Ayurveda 2020 question paper with answers part 4. Question 91. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A, other labeled as reason R. So assertion A says, after Chetana karma of Parvani, mixture of Madhu and Krishna Maricha is used for Pradisarana. Reason R, after Chetana karma of Parvani, mixture of Saindava Lavana and Madhu is used for Pradisarana. And answer A, that is the assertion A is false. What is the reason? That is after Chetana karma of Parvani, mixture of Saindava Lavana and Madhu is used for Pradisarana is the right one. Pradisarana matrapi Saindava Kshaudram ishyate. So after the Chetana karma of Parvani, mixture of Saindava Lavana and Madhu is used for Pradisarana. In Susruta Samhita Uttara Tantra. Question 92. According to Susruta, which doshas are vitiated in Akshapad, Paghatyaya? So, Susruta mentioned Tridosha Koba in Netra Roga, Puya Srava, Nagulandya, Akshi Paghatyaya, and allergy. So, answer is option C, Tridosha. This is also from Uttara Tantra, chapter 1. Question 93. Soft contact lenses are made from which material? It is HEMA, hydroxide, ethyl, methacrylate. Soft contact lenses are primarily made from hydrogel or silicon hydrogel materials. They are soft, flexible, and water-absorbing plastics that allow oxygen to pass through to the cornea. Main hydrogel material used for the soft contact is poly to hydroxyethyl methacrylate, usually called polyHEMA. The oxygen permeability of the hydrogel lenses depend on the water content. Higher the water content, more oxygen that can pass through the lens. Now match list 1 with list 2. So here the answer is option D. That is type A tympanogram, normal tympanogram. B is flat graph. C is in retracted tympanic membrane. And type D, type AS tympanogram. It is seen in ossicular fixation. So let's see what it is. So tympanogram, this graph like is a tympanogram. Type A tympanogram is a normal reading, means the eardrums and ossicle move normally in response to stimuli. Pressure in the middle ear is normal, there's no fluid in the middle ear. Type B tympanogram, a flat line with a normal ear canal volume. Common causes include OME and the cholesteatoma. Type C tympanogram have mountain-shaped curves. Common causes include upper respiratory illness, a developing or recovering ear infection, or eustachian tube dysfunction. Type AS tympanogram, shallow tympanogram, include meringosclerosis and otosclerosis and can be associated with the ossicular fixation. Chedayit Mandala Agrena Jihvobari tu Samstita. The above reference has been mentioned in the context of which Talukada Roga? And this answer is option B, Gala Shundika. Treatment of the Talukada disease. Gala Shundikam, Angushta Anguli Samtamshena Agrishya, Chedayit Mandala Agrena Jihvobari tu Samstita. In a case of Gala Shundika, the Shundika should be drawn out along the tongue with the help of the thumb and the second finger of the hand or with a sandamsha and then cut off with a mandalagra instrument. Arrange the process of research. And here the answer is option B. That is, first is formation of a research question, then conceptualizing design, selecting the sample, data collection and data analysis. So this is the correct order: formation of research question, conceptualizing design, selecting sample, data collection and data analysis. So formation of research question means this is a starting point where a clear and focused question is formulated to guide the research. And conceptualizing design means this involves outlining the overall approach, including the research method, data collection technique, sampling strategy. And the selecting sample means it involves the choosing a representative subset of the population to study. Data collection is a process of gathering and measuring information on targeted variables to answer the research question. Data analysis involves organizing, cleaning, interpreting the collected data to draw conclusions. Now 97. Statement 1. Chi-square test is a non-parametric test. Statement 2. As a test of goodness to fit, Chi-square test enables us to see how well does the assumed distribution fit the theoretical data. And both are correct. Chi-square test is indeed a non-parametric test often used as a goodness fit test. This means it determines how well a set of observed data fits a theoretical distribution or expectation. And non-parametric tests determine the probability that an observed distribution of data based upon rankings or distribution into a category of a qualitative nature is due to chance or sampling error alone. Now, again, statement 1, cross-sectional studies are known as one-shot or status study, and longitudinal studies are also useful when you need to collect the factual information on a continuing basis. Both the statements are correct. Cross-sectional studies, sometimes referred to as one-shot or status study, capture a snapshot of a population at a single point in time. Cross-section studies are quick and cost-effective, but can't reveal the changes or establish the cause and effect relationship, whereas a longitudinal study observes the same subject repeatedly over an extended period. And while more time-consuming and expensive, the longitudinal study allows researchers to track changes and trends over time. Statement 1. Test of significance is used to test hypothesis in quantitative study, and hypothesis testing is dependent on theory of probability. Both are right. So, test of significance means it is a statistical method used to determine if there is sufficient evidence in the sample data to support or refute a hypothesis about a population. This process involves comparing the observed result from the sample to what would be expected if the null hypothesis means a statement of no effect or no difference were true. Hypothesis testing means it is fundamentally based on the theory of probability. The p-value, which is a key output of hypothesis testing, represents the probability of obtaining the observed result or more extreme result if the null hypothesis were true. If the p-value is below a predetermined significance level, the null hypothesis is rejected, suggesting the evidence is strong enough to conclude that the observed effect is not due to chance. Which Acharya has mentioned Vipluda Yoni Vyapat? So this is a cancelled question because both Susruta and Vagbada mention Vipluda Yoni Vyapat. So the Vimshadi Yoni Roga mentioned by Susruta are Vadaja, Udhavarta, Vandya, Vipluda, Paripluda Vadala, Pitta, Rudira, Kshara, Vamini, Sramsini, Putrakni, Pittala. ಖಬ ಅತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಕರ್ಣಿನಿ ಅಚರಣ ಅಧಿಚರಣ ಶ್ಲೈಷ್ಮಿಕಿ ತ್ರಿದೋಷಜ ಶಂಡಿ ಫಲದಿ ಮಹದಿ ಸೂಜಿ ವಕ್ತ್ರನ್ ಸರ್ವಜ. And this is the Vimshadi Yoni Vyapat according to three acharyas. So this is Rudira Kshaya. Charaga mentions 11 Vadaja Roga. Vadagi, Acharana, Adicharana, Prakcharana, Udhavartini, Putrakni, Andarmugi, Suji Mugi, Shushka, Shandayoni, and Mahayoni. Susruta mentions only 5. Udhavarta, Vandya, Vipluda, Peripluda, Vadala. So if we see the Susruta mentions 5 for each section. That is Vadaja 5, Pittaja 5, Kabaja 5, and Tridoshaja 5. But Ashtanga Hridaya and Charaga have some differences, and Ashtanga Hridaya Vadaja Yoni Vyapat are 11. Vadigi, Adicharana, Prakcharana, Udhavarta, Jadagni, Andarmukhi, Sujimukhi, Shushka, Vamini, Shandi, Mahayoni. So this is almost similar, Charaga and Ashtanga Hridaya. Again, Pittaja, Charaga, Paitigi, Rektayoni, Arajaska. For Susruta again 5, Rudirakshaya, Vamini, Sramsini, Putrakni, Pittala. Ashtanga Hridaya is Paitagi, Rektayoni. Only 2. Kabaja Slaishmiki, Susruta again, Atyananda, Karnani, Acharana, Adicharana, Sleshma. Ashtanga Hridaya also Slaishmiki. And Charaga and Ashtanga Hridaya Tridoshaja is both Sannipadaki, whereas Susruta, Shanda, Falini, Mahadi, Suchi, Vaktra, and Sarvacha. And Vada Pitta for Charaga, Vamini, Paripluda. Ashtanga Hridaya is Lohita Kshaya, Paripluda. Ubapluda, Karnini for Charaga, Vada Kabacha, and Ashtanga Hridaya also say Ubapluda, Karnini. Ashtanga Hridaya also mentioned Vipluda as a Krimija Yoni Vyapat. Now question 101. Acharya Charaga has indicated Kadugadi Grada for management of which of the following condition? It is Rekta Prathara. So Kadughadyam Gridam, Kadugarohini Mustam, Haridre Vatsagat Palam, Padolam Chandana Murva, Trayamana Dhuralava, Krishna Parpadago Nimbo, Bo Nimbo Devadarucha, Taihi Karshigaihi Grida Prastaha, Siddhaha Kshira Chadurgunaha. So one pala each of Kadugarohini, Musta Haridra Dharu Haridra Vatsaga in peace form. Then one karsh of Padola, Chandana, Murva, Trayamana, Dhuralaba, Krishna, Parpadagha, Nimba, Bhudimba, Devadaru. These should be added to 1 prastha ghrida and 4 prastha of milk. This is from Charaga Chikitsa Sthana, chapter 60. Rektapittam Jwaram Daham, Shwayedu Sa Bhagandaram, Arshamsi, Asragdaram, Chaiva Handi Visfodagam, Tadha, Idi Kadugadyam Gridam. So the indications are Rektapitta, Jwara, Daha, Shwayedu, Bhagandara, Arsha, Asragdara, and Visfodagam. This is the Kadugadya Gridam. Now, according to Acharya Charaga, how much Angula long Pushpanetra should be used for giving Uttarabasti in female? It is 10 angulas. So dimension of nozzle for Uttarabasti is Pushpanetra Pramanam tu Pramadhanam Dachankulam Mutra Srodaha Parinaham Mudga Srodro Anuvahicha. So the Uttarabasti nozzle for female should be 10 angula in length, circumference as equal to that of urethra, and inner lumen permitting a seed of mudga. So Uttarabasti Pushpanetra Pramana is 10 angula, Mutra Srodaha Parinaham. Circumference, Mudga Srodra Anuvahi, that means inner lumen. Apatya marge narina videyam chadurangulam dvayangulam mutra marge tu balasya tu egam angulam. It should be introduced to a length of 4 angula if it is apatya marga, that is in genital trunk. If we are introducing through the genital trunk, it should be 4 angula long. 2 angula in urinary tract of adult female. 1 angula if the urinary tract of bala, that means unmarried girls. Length of insertion on Uttaravasti, if it is Mutra Marga, Bala, 1 angula. At reproduction age, it is 2 angula. Apatya Marga, that is Yoni, 4 angula. Match list 1 with list 2. And it is Grandhi Puda is Vada Kaba. Pudi Puya Kaba Pitta, Kshina Vada Pitta Doshacha, Mutra Purisha Gandhi, it is Sanni Padacha. So, Arthavadushti, Vadajam. Pittaja is due to Pitta Gobam, Pittaja, Kapa Gobam, Kapaja, Rektajam. It is Kunapagandhi. Vada Pitta Gobam, Sheena, Pitta Kabajam, Pudi Puya, Vada Kabajam, Grandhi Puda, Sani Padigam, it is Mutra Purisha Gandhi. One end of round ligament is attached to uterine cornua and the other end is attached to which of the following structure? It is the anterior third of labia majora. So this is a round ligament. One end of the round ligament is attached to uterine cornua, that is the lateral horn of the uterus. Other end is attached to the labia majora. The ligament passes through the deep inguinal ring, inguinal canal and terminates in the subcutaneous tissue of labia majora. According to Ashtanga, what is the correct sequence of regimen for Asanna, Prasava, Parijaya? Answer D. You can see. So, according to Ashtanga, the correct sequence is Ushna Jalasnana, Peya with Grida for Pana, Uttana Shaina with Sakti flex, that is lying in the lithotomy position, Abhyangamardana, Jarambana, Changramana. So, Prasudi Vidhi, management of labor in Ashtanga, Sharirasthana, chapter 1, Adhobastida Garbaha. Tam Krida Kauduka Angalam Mangalam Krida Kauduka Mangalam Hastasta Punnama Phalam Swabhyakta Ushna Umbu Sejidam Payetsa Gridham Peyam Tanau Bhushayani Stitham Abukna Saktim Uttanam Abhyakta Anga Punaha Adhonabe Vya Mrudgiyat Karayet Jrimba Chankramanam. That is, the woman in labor should be protected by performance of Mangala Karyam, made to hold a fruit bearing the masculine name in her hands, anointed with oil, then Ushna Jala Snana, give bath in warm water, Peya with Grida for Pana, given a drink of Peya mixed with ghee, Uttana Shaina with Sakti flex, that is a lithotomy position. Abhyanga Mardana, her body should be anointed with oil again and again, and parts below umbilicus are massaged. Okay, that is a Mardana. Jrimbana, told to yawn. Chankaramana, do brisk walking. Acharya Charaka has indicated which formulation for the female who suffer from the miscarriage and desire conception. It is Pancham Sarpi Modaka. Yoni dosha grada sravahadana cha api yoshita garba astinan garbascha sravedyamsa mriyeda va dhanyabalya hidahatabhya shukra shonida vardhanaha idi panchama sarpi modakaha. So this is Panchama Sarpi Modaka is mentioned in the formulation of the for the female who suffer from miscarriage and also desire conception. Garbhascha Sraved. And this is Charaga Chikitsa Sthana chapter 11. Given below are two statements. Asation A, Navanida is indicated to be given to pregnant woman in 4th month of pregnancy. Recent pregnant woman is Dau Hridini in 4th month and fresh Navanisa is Hridya. Both options are right. So, in the first, we give, according to Charaga, Kshiram Anubhaskridam, non-medicated milk, Matrava Shidam, wholesome diet should be taken in morning and evening. Susruda, Madura Shida Drava Ahara. Second, ഇത് വേറെ ബാത്റൂം ഇല്ലേ ചേച്ചിരെ പൊക്കോളൂ ഇത് എന്തോരം വലിയ വീതാന്നറിയോ നിസാമ എന്തോരം കഷ്ടാന്നറിയോ അവന്റെ ഒരു മൂത്രം Okay, so first month, according to Charaga, it is Kshiram Anubhaskridam, non-medicated milk and Matrava Shidam. Susruda Madura Shida Drava Ahara for the first 2 months. And second, Charaga, Kshiram Eva Madhura Ushada Siddham. Third, Kshira Madhu Sarpibhyam Upasamsrajya. Madhura Shida Drava Ahara with Shashtiga Shali and Dugdha for Susruda. Fourth, butter, that is Navanita. Kshira Navanita Makshamatra Ashniyad. And in Chadurto Dadna for Susruda. Fifth, give ghee prepared from butter which is extracted from milk, that is Kshira Sarpi. And cooked Shashtiga Shali with milk, Jangala Mamsa and food mixed with milk and ghee by Susruda. Sixth, again Kshira Sarpi Madhura Ushada Siddham for Charaga. And Susruda's ghee yavagu along with Gokshura. And like sixth and seventh, the same is mentioned by Charaga, but in Susruda, ghee medicated with Vidhari Gandhadi Dravya. Eighth, Kshira Yavagu, that is Yavagu prepared with milk and ghee. 8th month is considered as the Basti Kala for Susruda, doing the Astabanavasti, Anuvasanavasti, Snigdha Yavagu and Mamsarasa. 9th is said to be Anuvasanavasti by Charaga with oil prepared with Madhura Dravya and the Piju Dharana. And Susruda, a woman who has been treated as described, becomes Snigdha. She gains strength, deliver the child normally without complication. 108. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, Murdani Taila is advised in which of the following Ritu? It is Hemanta Ritu. Hemanta Charya. Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana chapter 3. In Hemanta Charya, Dargya Nishanam Edarhi Pradhareva Bubukshidaha Avashyakaryam Sambhavya Yadoktam Shilayed Anu Vadagna Taila Rabhyankam Murdanim Tailam Vimardhanam Niyuddham Kushaleihi Sardam Padhagadam Cha Yuktidaha. As the nights are long, a person feels hungry early in the morning. So after attending to ablution, one should resort to Abhyanga with oils that have Vada balancing property. Massage should be done especially to scalp and forehead. Mild massaging with Murdani Taila, rustling till 1/2 strength and trembling of the body is recommended. So here the question is Murdani Taila. Murdani Taila massaging is mentioned in Hemanta Charya. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, which of the following ambu is advised in Vasanta Ritu for drinking? It is Sringavera ambu. Vasantacharya, Nirgadhanam, Asava, Arishta, Sidhu, Mardhavika, Madhavan, Sringavera ambu, Sarambu, Madhvambu, Jaladambu cha. So, the beverages such as Asava, Arishta, Sidhu, Mardhavika, water boiled with Sringavera, that is Sringavera ambu, Sarambu, Madhvambu and water boiled with Jaladambu are mentioned in Vasanta Charya. Now match the following. Here, this is answer is option B, Bukta Ande. Bukta Madhye, it is Sama. Bukta Ande, Stula. Bukta Prathama, it is Krisha. Shidhambu for Srama. Okay. Nisukhatvam Sukhaya cha. This is the principle of treatment of the Kapha Prakriti. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, which of the following is having Vata Anuloma effect? It is Manda. Manda, that is a thin fluid drained out. Shivas Tatra Mando Vadhanulomanaha Trit Glani Dosha Chena Pajano Dhadu Samyakrit Srodha Mardhava Krit Swedi Sadhu Kshayadi Cha Analam. So Manda is the best and it causes Shiva and causes Vadhanuloma, relief, and exhaustion. Klani. Nullify the residual dosha sheshakna. So this is used as a diet after Panchakarma, wherein all the doshas are eliminated. Help digestion, restore the normalcy of tissue, cause softness of channel, perspiration, and kindles the digestive activity. Manda peya vilebhinam odhanasya chalagavam yatha purvam. So manda peya vilebhin odhana, preparation of rice or other grain cooked in water. And these are more easily digestible in the preceding order of enumeration. That means manda is easy to digest. Odhana is comparatively hard to digest. So manda means it is thin fluid resembling water drained out immediately after boiling. Peya, slightly thicker to manda, still only liquid is the Vilebi, next stage, with more solid grain, less fluid. Odhana, last stage, which is a solid without the fluid portion. Which of the following is an example of Madhyama Padalopi? Samasam. Answer is option A, Deva Brahmana. What is the Bahuvajana Rupa of Bhudhadu, Loth, Lagara, Uttama, Purisha, Bhavama? Match list 1, list 2. Answer is option D. That is A4 means it is Arkadi Ghana Vrana Shodhana. Veera Tarvadi Ghana, it is Ashmari Sharkara Hara. Sala Saradi Ghana Kabameda Vishoshana. Mushkadi Ghana Shukra Dosha Hara. Okay, the same. Arkadi Ghana Vrana Shodhana. Veera Tarvadi, it is Ashmari Sharkara Hara. Sala Saradi Kabamedo Vishoshana. Mushkagadi Shukra Dosha Hara. Match list 1, list 2. And answer is again option B. Acharya Govinda Pada Rasahridaya Tantra, Acharya Govinda Dasena Baishajya Ratnavali, Sadhananda Sharma Rasa Tarangini, and Acharya Madhava Ayurveda Prakasha. Match list again, list 1 and list 2 matching. It is option B. That is Bastav Krit Prashva Prishteshu Sashula Kabha Vadika. Kuksheshu Hrannabi Madhyeshu Sashula. It is Kabha Paitika. Daha Chvara Gharo Ghoro Vada Paitika. Bhukte Chiryadi Yat Shulam. It is Parinamajam. Now again in reference to Balagraha, describe by Ashtanga Hridaya, match the following. Skanda Graha Samrakta Ubhaya Lochana. Skanda Apasmara Graha Murdve Aksha. Naigamesha Graha Ega Netra Shobha Shva Graha Chakshu Nimilina. From Ashtanga Hridaya Uttarasthana chapter 33. 1 According to Charaka, which kashaya is specifically advised in different types of jwara? And this is a cancel question. Still we can see Sandada jwara, Kalingaga, Padola leaves and Kaduga Rohini. Sadada jwara, Padola, Shariva, Mustapada, Kaduga Rohini. Anya Dushka jwara, Nimba Padola, Tripala, Murtvika, Mustavatsaga. Tridiyaga jwara, Kirada Tikta, Amrda, Chandana, Vishwa Beshaja, Chadurtaga jwara, Gudoji, Amalaga, and Musta. Match according to the Yoni Vyapat and Garbhashaya Mukhadushti. Answer option B. So, Andarmugi Vakra, Suji Mugi Samvrta, Shushka Shosha, Mahayoni Vishtamba. So, let's see the slokas from Ashtangade Uttarasthana, chapter 33. Andarmugis, Atyashidhaya Vishamam Stidhaya Surathe Marut, Annena Utpidido Yono, Stidaha Srodasi Vakrayed, Sa Asti Mamsam Mugam Tivra Rujam Andar Mughedi Sa. Sujimugi Vadalahara Sevinyam Jananyam Kubido Anilaha Striyo Yoni Manumatwaram Kuryat Suji Mugi Ithi Sa Shushkayoni Vega Roda Dritau Vayur Dushto Vinmutra Sangraham Karodi Yonehe Shosha Cha Shushkakya Sa Adivedana Mahayoni Dushto Vishtabya Yonasya Garbhakostam Cha Marudaha Kuride Vivrdam Strastam Vadeki Miva Dukkidam Utsanna Mamsam Tam Ahur Mahayoni Maharujam. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.